Hi, I'm Kim at Element Bistro. I'm the pastry chef. I'm going to talk to you today about the carrot cake, the chocolate cake, and the gluten-free chocolate cake with coffee mousse. Ryan and Eric's vision is to have comfort food. The last thought of walking out of Element is not just the food, but it's also the dessert. We make sure your bellies are full and you go away wanting to come back for more. Carrot cake is very special to me because it's my grandma's recipe, and she had it every Easter, every Mother's Day, every Father's Day, every Christmas, and it's a family recipe that she would always make. Feel honored to share it with everyone else. The chocolate cake is also my grandma's recipe, and the frosting is a fudge kind of inspired, deep dark fudge chocolate. Everyone loves chocolate. That is probably the second favorite in Element Bistro. The flourless chocolate cake with coffee mousse is gluten-free, and it is a dense, very chocolatey cake as well, made mostly with eggs, heavy whipping cream, some butter, and then you can't end your meal without some kind of coffee, so I decided to put coffee mousse on top. Just because it's gluten-free does not mean it's not delicious. It's very good. Come on down and try one of my desserts. I'd be hurt if you didn't.